Good evening, good morning everyone, and welcome to this Black Bull Markets MT4 tutorial. In this video we'll be taking you through how to place a trade on your platform. So there are a couple of ways you can place a trade. We'll just take you through them quickly. So the first one we'll be looking at is just a normal placing a trade normally, which you can right click on your screen, go down to this trading option. You'll see this window pop up over here and then select new order. You can also do so by pressing the F9 key on your keyboard. This MT4 order ticket will pop up. This will show you all your the options you can do. So you can see here on the right hand side, sorry, the left hand side, you can see this is the currency pair we're trading, your ask and your offer line. So this is your spread over here, and on this section you can see we're placing on the euro US dollar as well. You can also select any currency you want if you want to do it that way as well. And then over here is the volume. So this is the lot size you will be taking the trade. I highly recommend that you thoroughly know and understand how this works before placing any trades on a live server. The next option over here is your stop loss. This is where you would want the market to take you out once you've realized you are wrong or the market turns against your position. The take profit area over here is where you sort of will say the market will go to, and you can take your profits and exit out of the market once you believe the move will be finished. In the comment box over here, you can type whichever you want, depending if you were to, for example, use a strategy. You can select a sort of name you want to give it. Just be aware that once you've entered this and taken the trade, you cannot add or take away or edit the comment afterwards. And down below is your sell and your buy button. So when you're clicking these, you will be entered at the market price or the price the market is currently ticking at. So we'll just quickly take one for example. We'll just take that 0.01, which is a very small lot, just to show you guys how it works. We'll set our stop loss at a reasonable level. So we'll just set it down below, just below this these candles over here. So we'll just enter it at 1.125. You just go 1.125. And we put our take profit just up over here. We'll go 1.225. We'll just take a comment, for example, let's trade, and we can place a buy. Now if you click the wrong button like that, it will say invalid stop loss or take profit, which is good. It prevents you from making any mistakes. You can either just press OK. So we want to enter a buy, so I'll place the buy, and you can see our stop loss has been set. We have been entered into the market, and our take profit has been set as well. Now if you entered these incorrectly or you wanted to change them, you can do so by easily just clicking on your take profit area, dragging it. You can see there on the left hand side of the screen over here, when I do move it, you can see the amount of pips or points you'll be placing your take profit away. And similar for your stop loss. If you pull it further down here, it's just so you can see over there, you can see how many pips you are away. So you can easily modify those by just clicking and dragging on them as well. So we'll just exit that trade. Now I'll show you guys how to place a trade for a pending trade. So again, same method. Right click on the screen, select trading, new order. You can see it, the same terminal pops up again, but this time instead of selecting market execution, we'll select a pending order. So we've got different pending orders we can use. So we have a buy limit where you believe the market will come down to your price. So we'll just use this as a line over here, pretending this is a support line. So the market has moved up, it'll come back, and you believe it'll come back down, take you in the trade and go further back up again. Which is a buy limit. Now buy stop, which is over here, is if this is your resistance area and the market has moved, comes from below, and you believe it's going to break through the resistance and keep going. Now it's similar vice versa for a sell limit and sell stop. So sell limit is you believe the market's going to move up to your price, hit your order and move back down again. So use it as a resistance. And then a sell stop, where you believe the price will come to the support and break through the support and continue on further downwards. But for this example, we'll just use a buy use a buy buy limit. So what we believe now, the price will come down, take us into the price, and move further upwards. So we will just use this area of support over here, which was a candle basis, for example. We can place it at, we'll just enter the trade here quickly, at price. We've got 1.05848, and we place our stop loss. We'll just use a stop loss for this low over here, which we can see. And then we will use, for example, our take profit area, which we can say would be up here. We'll just use these wicks over here for a sort of resistance for it to hit, just for example. And we place this order. You can see we have now been entered. So you can see, so we will not, this has been placed, sorry, not been entered. So once the price does, if it does retrace, it'll come to this line, take us into the trade, and we will look for it to potentially continue upwards to hit that take profit of ours. And you can see here, our stop loss has been set as well, and so has our take profit as well. Now you can edit this whole group by just clicking on your entry level, and you can see you can move it to edit your trade either way, so you can see everything moves along with it. Now if you want to modify this, you can just right click on it, select modify, and you can change your prices, so where you want to be entered, your stop loss level, and your take profit level. Now this is the same for buy limits, buy stops, sell limits, and sell stops. Now we'll just get rid of this trade. Now another quick and easy way to enter a trade or to place a sell limit or buy limit, we can just right click on the screen where we want the price to be. You can see there's an option to sell limit. If you click on it, your sell limit will be entered. You can move it as well. If you would want to move it closer or further away, you can also right click on it, select modify, and you can enter the details that you want, your sell stop and your take profit. Get rid of that. We can also do the similar for a buy limit. And moving on, we have got another method of trading. We can do one-click trading, so it's fairly simple. So you just right-click on the screen, go down to one-click trading, or again, you can just press Alt-T on your keyboard to make this window reappear. Now, just be aware, be very careful with this for the future. It will all be set at your default price, or your default lot size, so be careful with that. Like I said before, please make sure you understand this fully before taking any live trades. So again, we will just edit it, or we'll leave it there on 0.01, just for example, it's a very small lot, and we'll just place a buy by clicking on the buy button. You can see here, we have been entered in the trade, and how to edit this is fairly simple. Again, you can just click on your existing trade line, move up. This is for your stop loss level. You can see again on our left hand side of the line, you can see we have got right now 4,503 pips or points. Again, we can edit our stop loss level as well by just clicking on it on your entry order, dragging it down. You can see again on the left hand side of our screen there is the numbers of pips or points that you want your stop loss to be, so you can place it anywhere you want. So that is it for this tutorial. What we went through is how to place a trade, how to edit a trade, how to one-click trade as well. We will be covering our lot sizes in next videos. Hope you guys did enjoy this. Thank you very much for watching. From everyone here at Blackwell Markets, safe trading.